Hello everyone, this is Mickey from Visor. So papunta ako norte ngayon, but before I do that, I'm going to check out this new app which is called DriveHub. DriveHub is Metro Pacific Tollways Corporation's newest electronic travel companion. So with this app, I can check my load balance and transaction history, reload my EasyTrip account, calculate my toll fees, get traffic updates, look for gas stations along the way, and even call for help during emergencies. Ang DriveHub magagamit ninyo sa NLEX, SCTEX, Cavitex, and Calax. Right now, the app is in its user testing or closed beta phase, but if you want to get first dibs on it, simply register using the link in the description. First 200 users who download and provide feedback will get 300 pesos load courtesy of Metro Pacific Tollways Corporation. Happy driving!